Hello everyone. What if you could automate repetitive tasks in less than 5 minutes? Welcome to Smart Holol Academy, where we help you build powerful automations and AI agents using n8n. In this video, you will learn what n8n is, how to set it up, and how to launch your first workflow. What is n8n? n8n is a workflow automation tool that lets you connect apps and automate tasks. It's similar to tools like Zapier or Make, but much more flexible. For example, you can automatically send emails, connect APIs, or synchronize data between different tools. Instead of doing repetitive tasks manually, n8n allows you to automate everything visually. Each step in your automation is represented by a node. This is a list of nodes. Each node represents an action. Now let's see how to set up n8n. The fastest way is using Docker with just one command. This command downloads and starts n8n automatically, and once it's running, you can access it directly in your browser, like this. Alternatively, you can use n8n Cloud if you don't want to install anything locally, just by creating an account. Now let's explore the interface. This is the canvas where you build your workflows, and nodes are the building blocks of your automation. And this is a part of credentials where you can connect apps like Google, APIs, or other services. Now let's quickly create a simple example. Here we will add a trigger manually with a set node and connect them. A trigger starts the workflow and the next node performs an action. And this is how automation works in n8n. And that's it. You just launched your first n8n workflow. In the next video, we will build a real automation step by step. Thank you for watching.